Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you today? I hope you all will be fine. I am Ikranwar. I am a science teacher in KPS school. Class 4 Subject Science. Topic Solids, Liquids and Gases. Students, in previous lecture we discussed there are three states of matter: solid, liquids and gases. In this lecture we differentiate between solids, liquids and gases. What are the properties of solids? What are solids? Students, we know that solid has closely packed together particles. This is the reason that solid has fixed volume and shape. Because particles are closely packed together, there are strong force of attraction between the particles. They cannot move. They are rigid and has fixed shape and volume. Students, we cannot compress the solid because solid particles have little free spaces between themselves. We cannot compress the solid. For example, we cannot compress the brick because the spaces between these particles are very little and they have rigidity, and particles do not flow easily. We can say that solid has tightly bound particles. There are little free spaces between the particles. That's why we say that solid has rigid, fixed shape and fixed volume. Because solid particles are tightly bound and little free spaces between the particles don't move easily. Brick is an example of solid. Students, liquids occupy the shape of the container because particles of liquid can move. They take the shape of the container which it occupies. For example, in this diagram you are looking that liquid take the shape of the bottles which it occupies because particles can move. But in case of solid has fixed shape because their particles cannot move. In case of liquid, particles can move, so they take the shape of the container which it occupies. Like solids, liquids cannot be compressed easily because there are also little free spaces between the particles. We cannot compress the liquid because the spaces between particles are little, but liquid particles flow easily. Liquid has fixed shape, no fixed shape, fixed volume, not rigid. Students, in this lecture we discuss the two states of matter, solid and liquids. We see the difference between force of attraction in solid and liquid, and solid has fixed shape, volume, are rigid, while liquids are not rigid, not fixed shape, but has definite volume. For example, if we take 1 liter water, it will remain 1 liter always if we put into any container. Water take the shape of container but has fixed volume. आई होप कि स्टूडेंट्स आपको समझ आ गई होगी कि सॉलिड और लिक्विड्स में क्या डिफरेंस है, इनके पार्टिकल्स की मूवमेंट कैसी होती है, इनको कंप्रेस किया जा सकता है या नहीं, इनकी शेप और वॉल्यूम कैसा होता है, फिक्स्ड होता है, नॉट फिक्स्ड। ये असाइनमेंट है आपके लिए। यूज़ दीज वर्ड टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। सम वर्ड्स विल बी यूज मोर देन वंस। Everything in this world that has dash and occupies. These are the filling blanks. Students, आप इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हुए इन फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स को फिल कर सकते हैं। ये आपकी असाइनमेंट है। थैंक यू एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।